Hi everyone, I'm Janelle and today I'm gonna teach you how to recycle a paper. First, you're gonna make sure that you scrap many papers, and then you're gonna
Tear into pieces.
Tear into pieces.
Small.
Into small pieces, and you're gonna get a bottle, and you're gonna put water. And then you're gonna put it in the bottle with the papers. And you're gonna put the papers and the hot water in the bottle in 24 hours or more until it is mushy.
Okay.
Now you're gonna get a big... And then next, when the bottle with papers and the hot water is finished and the water is now cold, you need now to shake it and now until it is mushy, and now we're gonna put it in a big pan. Now
you can also add more.
You can also add more water.
Okay. And then
Enough.
What's next? Then what? You can.
And we're gonna
get the wait strainer.
Yes.
And then you put a screen. Okay.
You need to make and get a screen.
Okay.
You need to shake it first until it is much. Now we're gonna make sure that all the water is right here. Or it can be in the right or in the left.
And you submerge.
Now we're gonna hold it like that. Slide. If it is only a bit, you can even add more.
Get more.
Nasaan yung takip nito? And then you can even spread it.
You soak it in the water so that it will be distributed. Ganun. Itaas-taas mo na konti. Wait, you put it in the water. You need to add more paper. Okay. Then you just shake until it's and then you put what?
Another
Screen on top, and then you press
it until all of the water is gone in the paper.
You can use You can
even use
sponge.
A sponge.
Let Angel do it.
Let Angel.
Dito.
Yeah.
Ano nga ba yung next? What's next? Then you get a piece of a piece of newspaper under old newspaper, and then you put a cloth, and then you put the
paper
like this on top. Then you press again with the sponge
to make it stick.
And to get as much water out of the paper, of the pulp. No. Oh, okay, yes.
Now we're gonna remove the top
screen. Wow, it looks nice.
And then you're gonna
carefully like that. Okay. Flip over
it. When something fell, you can even fix it.
It's okay. And then you slow. Then what else? What will you do? Just fix a little bit.
You're gonna make it dry.
Okay, you just
And
cover with another layer of of what? Of
Cloth.
cloth. Okay, and then for the next layer, you add another newspaper like that. Okay,
And then excuse me.
now
Now
making the
I'm
second
making
paper.
the second paper. Now you're gonna remove
Meron
the
pa,
top
ubos mo. Ganun mo lahat, anak.
You need to make sure that it is careful.
Uh-oh. Sorry. Okay. Oh, what are you saying?
Now we're gonna make it now again upside.
Flip it over. You do it. Okay, wait. Okay na. You remove the top screen.
Now we're gonna
Ay, sige.
get this sponge. Again. Go with that.
Wait, Angel, more. Like this.
Pag kinakamayan, pag-isda.
The next I'm gonna speak in Tagalog if you're allowing me.
More.
Pag-isda, especially bangus na. Ano yung hindi prito?
May tinik yun, ha?
Pag hindi prito, dapat
Sapa.
Now we're
Teka,
gonna
Angel,
put
hindi
now
nakagitna
our
eh.
paper right here.
Okay.
There.
Okay. Then you put the, you put
Then
the
you're
cloth
gonna
on top again.
clasp like this. Press. Just making sure.
Ay, wait, no. And then you, put another layer for the paper that
Paper.
Angel is in. Okay, we're out of, of cloth. Get another cloth.
Yung brown.
There in the room.
Yung brown.
Now we're gonna get cloth. If you
Look,
don't
Angel is doing this. Explain mo nga, Angel. Anong ginagawa mo? Ha? Nilalagyan mo ng paper na durog-durog. Yung tray na may
Na
screen.
ngayon, nakakuha na ako ng isang tela.
Kung ito, okay na yun. Ganyan lang. Pag ganito. Long.
Gusto chip mo.
Ganyan. Ganito
Okay na,
lang.
Angel? Wag na.
Dapat isi-spread mo.
Yan. Spread. Para pantay.
Para siguraduhin na
Dapat walang butas-butas eh.
para siguraduhin na walang butas, itataas mo ito. Tapos ito meron pa. So maglalagay ka pa ng onting papel dyan.
Lubog mo
Taas mo
ulit.
na,
Lubog
okay
mo ulit.
na.
Lubog mo muna ulit.
Yan.
Lubog mo pa, lubog. Muna. Para pumantay. Okay, taas mo na.
Ngayon, kukuha na tayo ng isa pang
Screen.
screen.
Make sure that there's no hole. Ganun ba?
Tapos,
Tagalog na nga kami.
Tagalog na.
Teka, wait. Gitna
usog
mo.
natin.
Hindi nakagitna eh.
Tapos,
Oh. Huwag mo na ilubog!
ipipress natin to. Pwede mo rin kunin yung sponge.
Yan, para makuha yung water. Matanggal yung water.
Yan.
Okay.
Tapos,
Next, what will Angel? Anong gagawin mo, Angel? Dito, wait.
Ganyan mo lang. Tapos, kunin nyo na. Kunin nyo na ulit yung sponge. Tapos, i-press nyo.
Slowly, Angel.
Itong
Kasi baka
dahan-dahan
dumikit yung screen
Dito
eh,
sa-
matatanggal.
dito sa screen. Huwag ka naman galit. Tapos,
Ang next, Angel. Slowly. Dahan-dahan.
dahan nyo ito. Kapag medyo pa, kunin nyo yung sponge. Tapos, kukunin mo na ulit ito.
Oops. Oh, go, Angel.
Tapos, kukunin natin ang mabigat na book At ilalagay natin ito. On derecho.
Yeah. And
Pwede
then,
nyo rin po ito upuan.
and then you wait how long?
Mga,
You wait
you wait
24,
until it's
6 hours to 6 to 12 hours. 1 day.
6 to 12 hours or 1 day.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.